Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another video. Today we are doing kind of a cozy clean with me. I decided to make this clean with me a little less what word am I looking for? High energy in terms of the music that I chose today. So I hope that you enjoy today's music selection, and I hope you get to work with me today. If you have something to do around your house or clean around your house, let this be a motivation for you to get up and start cleaning with me. We are starting off the day with loads of laundry. I just took some clothes out of the washer, gonna put those in the dryer, and then I'm also running a second load. Always like to kick off my cleaning days with starting a load of laundry. It makes me feel as if I have my life together, and I usually am more productive once I know that laundry is going. So if you have a basket of laundry that you need to get done, let this be your sign to hop on up and put your clothes in the washer, and let's get things done today. So today I decided to take Christmas down. This was around January 3rd when I filmed this video. I was having a really difficult day on this day. First of all, we did not sleep the night before, because it was like we went to bed super late, like maybe at 3 a.m. because we were just up working. And then as we went into our rooms to lay down, Aiden woke up and started crying, and he did not go back to sleep until maybe an hour and a half later. So, and then we had to get up in the morning as if nothing happened last night. So it was really a tiresome day for us. And then I could not find my earphones, so I could not listen to anything while I was working. I did not want to turn the TV on. And at this point, it was late in the day. I also did not get to do my workout in the morning, and that was weighing heavily on my mind too. And Aiden was having lots of big feelings. You'll see me from time to time, as I'm doing right here, is I'm just writing down little things in my little notebook there, because whenever I'm feeling overwhelmed or anxious and things are running through my mind, I like to get it down on paper, so at least I can create space for other worries. You know what I mean? So yeah, Aiden was having a very difficult day as well. He was crying because I could not give him my iron supplements to take. He was like just having a lot of big feelings, like everything was making him upset. And I don't know if I've shared this before, but the thing that I realized with me is that when Aiden cries, or just about any baby, when any baby cries, it kind of sets my nervous system into panic mode, and I get easily frantic and just like frightened, and my heart starts racing and all of that, and it just sends me into overdrive. But you don't have a choice as moms, right? So decided to get it done anyway. We are pulling down all the decorations off of the Christmas tree. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments when you usually take down your Christmas decor. I like to keep it up until like once the new year passes. I wanted to take it down before the new year, but because we're so used to having it on New Year's, I decided to stick with tradition and just have it up until the minute New Year passes.
Attention to sound, the one that's coming from your mouth. Don't mean to turn it upside down. I really wanna hear you out. I can't know how it is to be where you so calmly sit. When I'm further my own, there it is, catching only part of it. To just be, to really see something other than just me. To lean in, look around.
As you work today alongside me, I just want to remind you, as you watch or as you listen to my voice as you work, that you are an amazing human being. If you are a mom, if you are not a mom, your existence in this world is something that you should not take for granted. You are loved, especially by me, and I am so happy that you are here. So as we are putting out, I don't even know what I'm saying. As we're putting up the Christmas tree here, I wanted to point out too that some of the times when I'm having like a very off day with my like nervous system and just trying to regulate myself, I like the scent of menthol. So if you know me like in my personal life, then you know I have a thing for inhalers, especially the bunnies inhalers from Jamaica. But like that Vixie methanol smell is what I like. So in this video, I did not have an inhaler to use, but I did have Vicks. And so if you see me where my nose area looks a little shiny, that's what I have around my nose. It kind of helps me to calm. It creates just like this soothing mechanism for me, and also it's a must-have for me at bedtime too. So just a little get to know me, or giving you information that you really did not ask for here.
Open up to the sound. If I could give you more than half an ear, if I could give you more than half an ear.
So I was going around just with the camera, picking up all of the miniature Christmas decorations. And so I went to the Genkan here to take this garland down, but it was super glued to the wall. Not glued, sorry, it was super pinned to the wall. Like the pin was in it so tightly that I could not get it out with my own strength. So I will have to ask my husband to go back and get those for me. So I took down what I could, and then would take the garland down later. We are still working on the Christmas tree and taking all of the Christmas decor down for another few minutes here, and then we are going to be heading outside on the porch to take down the twinkle lights that I strung on a pole that's just on my porch. To be honest, the battery ran out of the twinkle lights, and so for maybe half of December we had light, and then the other half we did not have light. I don't even think we had lights out there on Christmas Day, which defeats the purpose. But hey, we gotta take down the string lights anyway. And then while Aiden was playing, he completely threw castor oil all over my floors. We're gonna be getting to cleaning up that a little later, but you'll see him come in here just a little bit. He saw me like packing up the stuff, and of course once I closed up the container with the snowman little stuffed animal there, he completely started to throw a fit. He was like crying. He didn't want me to close it up, and he wasn't playing with it all morning. So that's just kids. Like, they don't want something, and the minute you're putting it away, that's the time that they really want it. I tell you, like, it's the hardest thing as a parent to regulate their emotions while you're also trying to regulate yours, especially in the middle of a big feeling. And if you're new to the term big feeling as a mom, or even if you're not a mom in preparation, big feelings are what we refer to as tantrums. It's just a better way to say it.
In the morning, when you walk away, my heart drops to the floor. They said it would get easier, but I don't know who for. Days move faster now, I swear. I can feel them slip away. But some things last forever, the love that never fades. It's easy to make promises for the young and free, but you kept every word you said, and you stayed true to me. We lean into the great beyond. There's more love yet to make, 'cause some things last forever, but love that never fades.
That red throw blanket was seriously one of my best purchases off of Amazon. It was big, it was thick, it was warm, and I'll be linking it down in the description box if you like it and want to have it for yourself. So this footage right here of me just sitting down was at a point in the day when my anxiety levels were starting to restrict what I was able to do. Like, I could not continue to undecorate. I could not do anything. I could not say anything. I couldn't talk to anybody. I just had to like sit down and scroll on my phone for a little bit just to kind of recenter myself. And by scrolling, it wasn't like mindless scrolling. It was like scrolling to my Instagram saves for motivation and like mental health affirmations and stuff like that. I realize that I am sharing and opening up a lot about my anxiety behind the scenes, because it's like you're watching this very nicely edited video of me, cleaning my house and taking the decor down. But what you do not see in the video is me having an anxiety attack and me feeling overwhelmed the entire time I was filming this video. So I decided to leave this clip in the video just to show you that sometimes behind the scenes it looks like this. Like, I'm being productive while I'm being overwhelmed and overstimulated by everything that was going on. And sometimes I am just handicapped and I just cannot move until I sit down and take a breath. Also, the messy house on top of the undecorated mess was not helping my brain feel better. So we are taking a short break here, and then we will get right back into undecorating the house. If you are working alongside me, we are just about 40 minutes into this long 35-minute video, so we have a while to get things done. Do not rush, take your time. And of course, if you're like me and you're kind of struggling, feeling overwhelmed or overstimulated, it is 100% okay for you to sit down and take a break, drink some water, and recenter yourself and get back to it. There's no shame in that game, no matter what you see on social media. Like, sometimes even in a get it all done video, we cannot get it all done, especially not at a very fast pace. So give yourself grace as you move through your to-do list, and let's keep going.
He left her slowly as his mind costs more every day. Quietly she walked beside, intended in her way. Now the bed he built for two is cold, but her memories have stayed. Because some things last forever, the love that never fades. Dishes and tears, I'm standing here. I know it sounds cliche. A blanket of this history covers me today. In between the bliss and underneath the ache, in the tenderness, a single thread remains. It's deeper than a sentiment, it's a fierce and holy rage. Some things last forever, but love it never fades. But love it never fades.
Okay, we have gotten some protein inside of our bodies. That was a protein shake that I was making there. 3 scoops of my favorite protein powder. Like, it's the only protein powder that I have found that was not grainy when you like mix it. So really love that. It's on Amazon. I'll link it below in case you are interested. It is coffee flavored and it has a ton of nutrients in it as well. So I am now currently mopping the floors. So I have gotten the floors cleared up, but the dining table is still a huge mess. Lots of things are on there cluttered and everything. I'm still thinking about what's for dinner and all of that. I think at this point Aiden was taking a nap, so Adam also got a chance to like sit and breathe for a minute there. And once we are finished mopping the floors, we are going to be heading into the guest bedroom / playroom to pick up what's in there. If you haven't made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching, for listening, and for choosing me to keep your company today while you get things done.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light.
just to let you know where we're at, I am cleaning some windows, just trying to get majority of the fingerprints out of the glass for it to look a little bit more presentable. Then we are going to start folding some clothes. Now guys, this is another thing that I want you to know about me, okay? I am a laundry doer, a laundry lover, okay? So I like putting the clothes in the wash. And then I like, if I'm using the clothes dryer, I also like to put the clothes in the dryer and have them dry. Or I like to pin them up outside and have them dry. But the area in which I really and truly struggle is getting the clothes folded and put away where they belong. Usually it's after having all of the little hampers in my house, which I have about 6 of them. Usually it is when all 6 of them are filled up to the brim and I have new laundry to do but no hamper to put them in. That's when I am folding the clothes. Am I the only person who struggles with this? I cannot be the only one who hates folding and putting away clothes. I really want to change that about me this year and actually start getting my clothes folded once they are dry and put them where they belong. Because now that we have a clothes dryer, my laundry cycle is it takes less time, for me to wait on the clothes to be dried. So I really want to get better at just folding clothes and putting it up. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you struggle with this too.
The remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning?
I have not spoken to the camera all day long. Since I've been filming, I just have been having a really rough day. I have been very anxious today, very overwhelmed and just like overthinking a lot of stuff. And it's like my to-do list, it keeps popping into my head and it's like I don't even know. My neck is starting to itch because the fabric of this thing, it itches. It wasn't itching me today, but all of a sudden it has started itching me. I still haven't worked out. The kitchen still has not been picked up, but I did manage to get Christmas done and I did manage to fold clothes. Want me to help you? Let me open it. But it's the nighttime. Usually I get a little bit more energy at night, especially when Aiden goes to bed and I know it's a high chance that he's not gonna wake up. Like as I was saying earlier in the voiceover, he did have a rough night last night, so he woke up just as we were going to bed, which was super late. It was like 3 a.m. So you can imagine heading to bed at 3 a.m. exhausted from kind of planning out what I want to do content wise and how I want to show up this year, because I really do not want to be laid back this year with my content. I want to push through even if I don't feel like it. So I was kind of brainstorming all of that. I was watching The Crown, so I ended up going to bed 3 a.m. and then Aiden started crying as soon as we got into the room. So it's it's been very overwhelming. Also, I've been super hungry for the past 2 days. I don't know why I'm so hungry, but it's starvation kind of hunger. Even an hour after I just ate, it's I'm so hungry. But I was talking to Adam about it and he was like, maybe it's that drink that we had on New Year's Eve, because we did drink a bottle of wine between the two of us, not one each. And I don't really drink unless it's special occasions like that, so I'm maybe that did something. Anyway, right now Adam has run to the supermarket. It's January 3rd right now as I'm filming this, and the supermarket is not quite operating at regular times, because in Japan the year-end and New Year holidays are usually big and serious and nowhere is open. It's almost as serious as Golden Week but bigger. So yeah, the opening times are very strange. Like yesterday they were closed, the day before they were closed, the day before that they were only open for an hour, and then the day before that, which was I think the 29th or the 28th, was the last full day that you could go shopping and all of that stuff. So Adam is running there. I'm gonna just change the menu for tonight. Today I had on the meal calendar to make beef spaghetti, like taco beef spaghetti, and I wanted to share that recipe with you today, but today is not the day. I'm changing the menu, so I sent Adam to the supermarket to buy 2 packages of wings, and then we're gonna do lemon pepper wings and some rice for dinner. I'm not sure if you want a recipe for lemon pepper wings. It's like super simple. We're putting it in the air fryer, season it with all your nice seasoned onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, and then if you're Jamaican, of course, a little Maggi all-purpose seasoning. If you're not Jamaican and you don't use Maggi all-purpose seasoning, I'm sure there are brands of all-purpose seasoning around the place. You can get that, or you don't have to. We kind of like it more on the saltier, savorier end, so that is why we put so much seasoning anyway. So that's what's gonna be for dinner. And then the last thing I'm going to do or film for this today, I guess, this get it all done, because I'm obviously not going look at me doing this in the video. Oh my god. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought. But everything that I wanted to get done in like this get it all done video is not gonna get done today. I'm gonna have to pick up the camera again tomorrow. I'm considering sending Aiden to daycare tomorrow. I had told them he wasn't gonna come back until the 8th of January, but honestly I am wiped, and I think I need like a full 7-hour day where I can just like focus and like kind of put my head in the right place. So I might send him to daycare tomorrow. I'll talk to Adam about it and see what we decide. If that is the case, then I'll have more time on my hands tomorrow to actually get things done, and we'll be doing that. But right now what I'm going to do is fill out my content calendar for the month. I put down all the videos that I want to be going up this month, because as I said, I'm taking it kind of seriously this year. I want to give it a full year of me trying my utmost hardest and posting content and being engaged and all of that, and then have it not work out before I quit. I have been battling to and from, like, should I continue doing YouTube videos? Should I not continue doing YouTube? I have not got the conviction that I should stop. So, and also it's like I've been very inconsistent, especially the past year, because 2023 was just so difficult for us. So this year I think I want to go all in, and then if it doesn't work out at the end of the year, then I'll start considering whether or not, you know, this is it for me. But I really love content creation, so I really would love for it all to work out. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up that calendar tonight. I'm going to film Adam tackling the kitchen. He's usually the one washing the dishes. Thank you to my husband for always doing the dishes. And even though it's a get it all done with me doing the cleaning today, I really feel as if I want him to help me out with the kitchen. I did plan on doing the kitchen, as I said in the video earlier, but now I'm kind of feeling like I don't want to. So Adam is good like that. My husband is super green. Yeah, that's right. And he'll just pick up anywhere I leave off, or where I, you know, don't feel like tackling. So he's going to do that, and I think that is going to wrap up today's video. I currently have Aiden doing an activity that is supposed to last him like maybe 15-20 minutes, which I wanted to do so that I could do my calendar, but I've been here talking, so I don't really know how long he's going to last. He's like down there, he's coloring with some stuff. What are you doing? It's like very white. Aiden, can you show me green?
Green.
Yeah, that's right. Very nice. Where's red? Where's the red one? Yeah! Red. Red. Where's blue? That's right, that's blue. Where is yellow? Yellow. Yeah, That's yellow. Great. So go in there. Update on Aiden's development. He's like really talking a lot these days. His favorite color is green. It's green everything for him. And he basically knows how to identify green, blue, red, and yellow. He knows how to say green. He knows how to say blue. He's practicing red, but he's not quite there yet. And he's not quite there with yellow. Red? 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 Can you say red?
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives.
Okay, quick motivation to just continue to push through. We are 31 minutes into our 35-minute video, so we do not have long before we are ending it today. Great job for sticking it through and getting some things done off of your to-do list. As for me, what I'm doing is just filling out my content calendar as I said I was gonna do, and then also finally get into that workout that I wish I did very earlier in the day. At this point, it was well in the evening. As you can see, it was black outside. We started when there was light out there, so it was quite late, around maybe 6:30 thereabout. But I decided I wanted to get the workout done before Aiden goes to bed, because usually once he goes to bed for the night, I start feeling tired and just starting to feel like I want to relax. And of course, working out with your kid awake is much difficult than working out when they are sleeping, because as you will see in this clip, he was all over my mat, all over my body. I could not get all the moves done right, but you know what? Done is better than perfect, and it is progress over perfection always. As long as I got to move my body and get myself into a better mindset, that's really all that matters. Also, just if you're curious what workouts I'm doing just some cardio from the YouTube account Grow with Joe. I like to do her cardio workouts, and then starting February of this year, I'll start to incorporate strength training again into my fitness routine, and I use the Fit On workout app for that. It's free and they have tons of exercises for you to choose from, so I highly recommend them both.
I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better.
Okay, and while Adam is doing the dishes and Aiden is watching some TV, I am using the time here to just recenter my mind, get my thoughts out on paper, and just kind of sit down and take a breath, because I think this was the first time I was actually sitting down just for myself, apart from that one time where I was having like an anxiety attack situation. This was the first time I was really sitting down, and as you can see, I took my wig off and I was just in the stocking, hashtag real life. And then Adam was going to start on making the chicken wings that I mentioned a little earlier, and we would have that for dinner. A lot of the times we are having dinner late just because the days just get away from us. Like, even with 4 hands in the house, just getting everything done on time is just not something that we've been able to master in parenthood. So yeah, here is after we have put Aiden down to sleep. So we had taken a break, to eat, to cook dinner, get Aiden's night routine going, and now we are back, just doing the last bit of tidying up. I swear, we've been cleaning from about midday. But now is the time to just clear the house up a little bit and then sit down, watch something, and eat dinner. And yeah, that is going to be all of our cleaning today. I really hope you enjoyed being here and cleaning with me today. And if you did not clean, I'm so happy that you stuck around for this very long clean with me video. That is going to be it for today's video, and I will see you right here very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.